Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Here I am Pooja Shukla and I will teach you chemistry. So we were studying our chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Chemistry. So today we will continue the same chapter and this is our last lecture of this chapter. So we studied about chemistry, that what is chemistry and its importance in various fields. So today we will cover following topics: importance of chemistry in our body, some great scientists and their contribution to chemistry, and dark side of chemistry. So let's start. First one, importance of chemistry in our body. Chemistry is not only important for industries, it is also very important for our body. Our body is a mobile chemical factory which uses food, water and oxygen as raw materials. Why we are saying that our body is a mobile chemical factory? Because in our body various chemicals are present, and as you know that our body need food, water and oxygen to stay alive. So these substances undergo a series of changes with the help of chemicals called enzymes that are secreted by our body. So different processes of our body depends upon the chemicals which are secreted by our body. हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सारे केमिकल्स सिक्रीट होते हैं, वो हमारी बॉडी में होने वाली बहुत सारी प्रोसेसेस के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. नाउ सेकेंड, हार्मोन्स. Hormones are another group of chemicals secreted in our body to control various activities. So what are enzymes and hormones? Enzymes are the biological catalyst which speed up the rate of biochemical reactions without undergoing any changes. Biochemical reactions. Here bio word representing our body, chemical word representing chemicals which are present in our body. So enzymes can increase the rate of reaction without undergoing any changes. Means जो एंजाइम्स है वो हमारी बॉडी में होने वाली रिएक्शंस की रेट को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, उसकी स्पीड को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, और इन रिएक्शंस में एंजाइम्स में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं. देन हार्मोन्स. हार्मोन्स आर मॉलिक्यूल्स, यूजुअली अ पेप्टाइड और स्टेरॉइड, that is produced in one part of an organism and triggers a specific cellular reaction in target tissues and organs some distance away. So hormones also very important for us because they can control various activity of our body and वो एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन से सिक्रीट होते हैं और एक स्पेसिफिक वर्क परफॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ a strong acid called hydrochloric acid, or we can say HCl, is produced in our stomach which helps in the digestion of food. And there are more chemicals in the food we eat than we find elsewhere. Some of them are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals, etc. And these are vital of life. So now we can say that chemistry is not only important for industries, it is also important for our life. Now some great scientists and their contribution to chemistry. First one, Robert William Boyle. He is known as father of modern chemistry and he was born in Ireland. He was the first to perform experiments under controlled conditions and publish his research with elaborate details of procedure, apparatus and observations. And Robert Boyle defined elements, compounds and mixtures. Second, Antoine Lavoisier. He was a French nobleman and Lavoisier named element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and he discovered the role of oxygen in combustion and in respiration, for which he is most noted. And he established that water is a compound and helped to continue the transformation of chemistry from a qualitative science to a quantitative one. Now John Dalton, he was a British chemist and physicist. He proved that matter consists of small invisible particles called atoms. Means John Dalton find out that matter is made up of atoms. So for this he proposed the atomic theory which was later on called Dalton's theory. Now Dmitry Mendeleev, he was a Russian chemist best known for his discovery of periodic law in 1869 and formulation of periodic table of elements. Means Mendeleev played a very important role in the field of chemistry, because without periodic table we cannot understand about each and every elements. So Mendeleev has given us periodic table of elements. He was passionate about chemistry. Now Acharya P.C. Rai. He was an Indian scientist who did useful work in the development of mercury compounds, and he was a pioneer in the field of medical industry in India. Means he was the first one in the field of medical industry in India. Now Alfred Nobel. He was a Swedish chemist who invented dynamite. He had 350 patents of his name, and he was nicknamed Merchant of Death because he made a fortune through the manufacture of explosive. The Nobel Prizes are awarded for outstanding achievements in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics and peace after his name. These awards are given every year on his death anniversary, that is 10th December. Now Marie Curie. She was a physicist as well as a chemist. She was a pioneer in the study of nuclear chemistry. Means she was the first one who studied about nuclear chemistry. She discovered the radioactive metal radium. She was the first woman who won the Nobel Prize in 1903, and she was also the first person and the only lady who received the Nobel Prize a second time in 1911. She also developed a portable X-ray machine which saved many lives during World War I. Now the names of some scientists and their discoveries. Joseph Priestley, oxygen. Daniel Rutherford, nitrogen and worked on radioactivity. Sir Humphrey Davy isolated potassium and sodium and devised a safety lamp. And William Ramsay, helium, argon, krypton and xenon, they are inert gases. Michael Faraday, laws of electrolysis, and Henry Cavendish, hydrogen. Now dark side of chemistry. We know that chemistry has played a very important role in each and every field, but there is a dark side of chemistry. Misused by unscrupulous people has also been endangering human society. It has given rise to mines of harmful drugs and their bulk processing like LSD, that is lysergic acid diethylamide, cocaine, brown sugar, heroin, that cripple the society. There are so many harmful effects of these drugs on our body, like it can increase blood pressure, it can increase heart rate and rate of cardiac arrest also, and it can increase risk of respiratory arrest and increase temperature of our body. So these drugs are harmful for our body, and our young generation is attracting towards these drugs which can destroy their life. Chemistry has also developed deadly explosives such as TNT, that is trinitrotoluene, RDX, that is rapid detonating explosive, and the atomic and hydrogen bombs, which can be misused by the enemies of our country. So this is the dark side of chemistry. Now I think you know very well about chemistry. So here I am giving you two questions. Name the scientists who discovered the following: atoms, oxygen, safety lamp and elements, and state the contribution of Antony Lavoisier and John Dalton. So complete these questions fast. Bye and take care.